Day 30. Land and water. This section explores the roots and their derived words associated with the planet Earth. It delves into terminology related to land and water. Section 1. Land. The root is Gaia. The Greek term meaning Earth. The word Gaia typically refers to the ancient Greek personification of the Earth, representing the planet as a deity. In modern contexts, Gaia is used to refer to the Earth as a complex, interconnected system, emphasizing the idea of Earth as a living entity. Root. Geo. Greek term meaning Earth. The word geo comes from the ancient Greek noun ge, or its poetic form, Gaia, both meaning earth or land. In Greek mythology, Gaia was the personification of the Earth and the ancestral mother of all life. Words such as geology, geo, Greek, earth, plus logos, Greek, study of, and geography, geo, Greek, earth, plus graphy, Greek, writing, are also derived from this root. 1016. Geocentric. Adjective, geo. Greek for earth, plus kentron. Greek, center. Belief that the Earth is the center of the universe. Geocentric refers to a model or viewpoint that places the Earth at the center. In astronomy, the geocentric model held that the Sun, Moon, stars, and planets all revolved around the Earth. This idea, promoted by philosophers like Ptolemy, dominated Western thought until the 16th century, when the heliocentric model, with the Sun at the center, replaced it. The heliocentric model was proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer. 1017. Geodesic. Adjective, geo. Greek, earth, plus di-en. Greek, to divide. Shortest path between 2 points on a curved surface. Geodesic refers to the shortest possible path between 2 points on a curved surface. In geometry and physics, especially in the theory of general relativity, a geodesic represents the path that an object follows when no force acts upon it, essentially, the straightest path in curved space-time. On a sphere like Earth, geodesics appear as segments of great circles, such as the arc between two cities on a globe. Example, the term geodesic applies in engineering, such as geodesic domes, which use interconnected triangles to form a strong, lightweight structure. (1018) Geothermal. Adjective, derived from geo. Greek for earth, plus thermos. Greek, heat. Natural heat energy stored within the Earth. Geothermal refers to the heat energy generated and stored within the Earth. This natural heat comes from the planet's core, residual heat from its formation, and the decay of radioactive elements. Geothermal energy can be harnessed for various uses, such as heating buildings, generating electricity, or supporting agricultural processes like greenhouse farming. In volcanic regions, hot water and steam trapped beneath the surface are accessed via wells to power geothermal plants. Example, geothermal systems are particularly efficient in areas like Iceland and New Zealand, where volcanic activity is high, making it an important part of the green energy mix. Root, telus. Latin word for, pertaining to, or characteristic of the Earth. The Latin root telus, also seen as teloris, its genitive form, means earth or land. It personifies the Earth as a goddess in Roman mythology, telus mater or terra mater, equivalent to the Greek Gaia, the Earth Mother. The root telus has influenced several English words, including tellurian, earth-dwelling or terrestrial, telluric, relating to the earth or soil, tellurium, a metalloid element named due to its association with earth. 1019. Tellurocracy. Noun, Telus. Latin for, earth. Plus, kratos. Greek for, power. Power derived from land control. Tellurocracy refers to a form of state or civilization primarily based on land control and territorial expansion, as opposed to thalassocracy, which is centered around maritime dominance. Tellurocracies typically maintain strong armies, focus on internal infrastructure, and control large continuous land masses. Historical examples are the Mongol Empire, Russian Empire, and the United States in its continental expansion. They tend to engage in land wars and prioritize borders and fortifications. Root, mundus. Latin term meaning world, universe. In Latin, mundus originally referred to the physical world, the earth, or the cosmos. It also carried the connotation of order and cleanliness, derived from the idea of the world being well-ordered and distinct from chaos. 1020. Mundane. Adjective, mundanus. Latin. Of the world. From mundus. Latin. World, ordinary, uninteresting. Mundane refers to something ordinary, everyday, or lacking in excitement. It comes from the Latin mundanus, meaning of the world, which originally distinguished worldly matters from the spiritual or divine. Today, it describes routine or repetitive tasks that are considered dull or unremarkable. In contrast, extramundane goes beyond the earthly or ordinary. It refers to what lies outside the everyday world. This could encompass the mystical, otherworldly, or transcendent experiences. 1021. Anima mundi. Noun, anima. Latin for, soul. Plus, mundus. Latin. World. Soul of the world. Anima mundi, Latin for, soul of the world, is a philosophical concept suggesting that the universe is a single, living, interconnected organism with a soul. Originating in ancient Greek thought and developed by Plato, and later, Neoplatonists, it proposes that all living beings are connected through a universal spirit or consciousness. Anima mundi acts as the vital force that links nature, humanity, and the cosmos, much like a soul animates a body. Root, terra. Latin term for, land. In classical Latin, terra referred to the physical earth, the solid ground beneath our feet, distinguished from the sky or sea. In classical usage, terra firma was used to distinguish solid ground from water, or other terrains like marshes or swamps. Territory, from terra, indicating a defined area of land. Terrestrial, things related to earth or land, used to contrast with celestial or extraterrestrial realms. Terrain, the physical characteristics of land, such as its shape and features. Terra incognito australis means, unknown southern land, from which Australia derives its name. 1022. Subterranean. Adjective, subterraneos. Latin for, underground. From sub. Latin for, beneath. Plus, terra. Latin. Earth. Below the earth, underground. Subterranean refers to anything that exists or occurs beneath the Earth's surface. This term is commonly used to describe natural features such as underground caves, tunnels, and rivers, as well as human-made structures like subways and basements. In a broader sense, subterranean can also refer to hidden or secret activities, implying something concealed from view, such as subterranean motives or underground movements. The word suggests mystery or inaccessibility. Example, the term subterranean conveys both a literal and metaphorical sense of being beneath the surface, whether physically or figuratively.